It's Friday. It's the last day of the year. We start a new year tomorrow, and on both days, the last day of this year and the beginning of next year, we've got shower and storm chances out there. So a couple of days of active weather inbound. And for this morning, you can see downtown, you can see the Lexington Financial Center. Visibility is at 10 miles at Bluegrass Airport. We were down to around a mile or two just a few hours ago. So we have had some occasional patching, at times dense fog, but it's nothing like yesterday. We don't have an advisory in effect. Just watch out on the roads. The max track is clear beyond a few showers and sprinkles that have been skirting our far southern counties. They've been more numerous into Tennessee. The severe risk for Friday, there is one, and it's for the round coming in later on this evening. There really isn't one into northern Kentucky. We're under this marginal risk, and then you've got a slight risk that just barely clips our southwestern counties. So as far as severe weather goes into the weekend, it's going to be more of an issue across the deep south. But we're running the northern fringe of that. This is the threat for tomorrow. Look at this enhanced risk for severe storms from Nashville down to Birmingham and all the way west into parts of eastern Arkansas there. They have that potential for a squall line, spin-up tornadic activity within that line of storms. And we're on the northern periphery of it. Some of the storms that come in later on tomorrow into the afternoon and evening could be on the strong to severe side, so we'll be watching out for that. Much bigger threat down south. Heavy rain is a potential as well, though, and here's how it breaks down. The first round coming in late this evening. This is getting into late this evening, early tomorrow morning. Pretty much as the ball is dropping, we'll have showers and storms blowing through. Possibility of heavy rain with that. And then we'll catch a break. Notice this front hanging up to the northwest. Some showers in the morning, heavier rain, still a possibility. But in the mid to late afternoon Saturday, we'll have another line of storms going in. If we see anything strong to severe, this would be the most likely time to see it, especially into our southern counties. There you can see that gusty line of showers and thunder showers blowing through. Damaging wind and heavy rain would be the two things we'd really be watching for. And then as that front slides east, gets much colder on the back end of this departing system. It'll be just cold enough Sunday morning. Into the day, we'll have occasional rain and or snow showers mixed in as that little bit of lingering moisture rolls through. So yeah, it's not going to amount to much, but it just shows you how cold it's going to get by the end of the weekend. This is not a severe threat. This is the excessive rainfall outlook for Saturday. Notice this bright red bullseye. That is the corridor where we could have the heaviest rainfall. And we're talking, like I said yesterday, anywhere between about 1 to 3 inches, some pockets of 3 to 4 inches possible within multiple rounds over the next couple of days. So we've got a flood watch in effect everywhere except for far southeastern Kentucky, far northern Kentucky. Projected rainfall over the next 3 days, still showing that band of those highest totals where you could be talking inches of rain. New Year's Day, as far as the specifics, the weather history, the wettest we've ever had in Lexington was 1.44 inches back in the mid-60s. So we may rival that. We get heavy enough rain tomorrow. Not something you want to rival, but it's within the realm of possibilities there. We're in the 40s and 50s now. We're incredibly warm. We're still in the 60s, so that bubble of above normal warmth continues. But late in the weekend, boom. It'll actually feel a bit like early January. The big chill settles in early next week. It's brief. We'll warm back up toward midweek, and then we start to see the tug and give and take, that round of warmer air and then eventually colder air coming in behind it. So I think we're going to start to see more ups and downs instead of this consistent above normal warmth that we've seen throughout much of December. I think you can see temperatures crashing, probably not getting out of the 30s Monday, and then 50s and 40s with a few rain to snow showers possible later into next week.